Welcome to the review of Mi Xiaomi 12 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes inside the box. So here the first thing is this is our Xiaomi 12 Pro, our phone. Also we got here the new original charger brick with all of the specs here, and the USB Type-C cable, the new one. And also here we got inside of this paper box the SIM jack tool and the quick start guides, the safety information, warranty cards here, and also we got the silicone protective case, the clear one. And that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.